about it. Everything about it. I've been using my GoPro even way before I started vlogging. For the past 3 to 2 years of vlogging, I've been using my GoPro here for silver in a lot of ways, like but I gotta say, my favorite way in using my GoPro is recording those special moments.
Yeah, I miss you. Yeah, I miss you. Much. Yeah, I miss you. I miss you. Much. I'll be away for the night, checking my phone more than twice. I knew this would happen when you get the butterflies in your stomach, and I feel so alive, yeah I love it, honestly. Let's go get coffee to speak, I really miss you this week. You're in the city but I'm in the bars, bumping some Cutler, you know all the words. You are so pretty, I know you deserve someone to love you and no one that hurts you. I'll be here forever, I hope we stay together. I put in my feelings aside, wish I could say you were mine. Yeah, I miss you. I do. Yeah, I miss you. I do. Yeah, I miss you.
I know all cameras can do that, even your phones, but the GoPro is so this small that you can actually put it anywhere and hide it and secretly record someone in those moments. Just like putting it here, or putting it here, or put it here, or place it here, or there. But what's wrong? So, why should I be the one you choose? I'm still using the GoPro Hero 4, and I'm quite sure that you have your Hero 5, Hero 6 there, and maybe some new products. Second, you mentioned you have your GoPro athletes, your influencers, and other creators. I want to connect with them too. Make friends, exchange ideas, and connect. Let's not connect. My name is Dumaguing, but they call me Chi, and I'm from Cebu, Philippines. So guys, that was my video submission for the GoPro contest going on, where there will be where they sent an invite to me to submit video, photos to showcase the ways that my favorite way to use my GoPro. I have a number of favorites actually. I like mostly using it in my tours because I'm surrounded with water here in the Philippines, so GoPro is a perfect camera for me, so I'm able to just go anywhere not worrying it will get wet. So this is really perfect for me, but I'm still using Hero 4, so I need it in my protective case. But of course, some of you here complained about the quality of a GoPro and you want me to purchase a camera those vloggers use. But hopefully one day, if you want me to get that camera that vloggers use that you're used to, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of my submission. I hope GoPro will like it. I hope I'll be qualified. And if you're also using a GoPro, I'm sure you got that. I'm quite sure. I think you get also an email about GoPro inviting you to also submit some content. You should also submit. We don't know if who among us will get it. Hopefully I will. So that would be really cool if I fly out to Canada. Jeff is there. I've already told him this opportunity, and he said he'll be happy to meet up with me there in Canada. He's also in, I think Alberta is a state also, so he's also in the Alberta area, but he's not sure which, since GoPro did not mention where specifically in Alberta. Let's see, hopefully we'll meet up if I win, hopefully. So that will be really cool here on the vlog if I'll be the one who's they're going to choose to fly out there. Very cool. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you guys next week. No worries, it's a vlog.